Good morning, class ninth. On Saturday, I have sent history chapter first extra long answer type questions. Once again, I am telling you that whatever the question answers and exercises are given you, that is only examples, specimens. On the basis of those works, you have to prepare yourself for the examinations. Now, today we are going to start political science. There are five chapters. Some old books there are five chapters, and some new books there are only four chapters. So don't be puzzled about this. The first chapter, that is what is democracy, why democracy, it is only given for project work, not for explanation and written work. Understood? So we will start the second chapter, constitutional design. Constitutional design. Beta, in democracy, there are certain basic rules that the citizens and the government have to follow. In democracy, there are certain basic rules that the citizens and the government have to follow. All such rules together are known as constitution. Constitution is the supreme law of the country. Which determines the rights of citizens, the power of the government, and how the government should function. In this chapter, we will discuss about the need of the constitution and making of the Indian constitution. A brief introduction you have already studied in the previous class 8th, about the constitution. But before that, before reading about the Indian constitution, we will have the topic democratic constitution in South Africa. After a long struggle for freedom, South Africa became independent and got its democratic constitution. Nelson Mandela fought for its freedom, fought for the freedom of South Africa and for rights and for equality among black and white people. Along with 7 other leaders, he was sentenced to lifetime imprisonment in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime. He spent the next 28 years in South Africa's most dreadful prison, Robben Island. Robben Island. Struggle against apartheid. Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination. What is apartheid? Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. This type of discrimination only found at that time in South Africa. It was imposed the white Europeans on the black, and that system was imposed by the white Europeans on the blacks. black and white natives. During the 17th and 18th century, a large number of whites settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. Due to this settlement of whites, the system of apartheid divided the people on the basis of their skin color. The whites divided the natives of the South Africa on the basis of skin color. The native black people made up about three-fourths of the population. In them, the three-fourths of the whole population of South Africa made up with black people. Besides these two classes, there was colored people and migrated Indians also. So, which type of discrimination against non-whites we will discuss tomorrow about this. Thank you. Read the whole chapter carefully. Thereafter, what I will explain that will be understood by you. Thank you.